Welcome, 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 welcome. What's up, guys? Welcome to our next video from River Street TV. And as I can see, in a Coronation Market. Yeah, we know I love the market today, guys. So today is Thursday, normal wholesale day, you know. So we just come to do a preview in the market. And them video they wanna love. So we come to do our next preview in the market, show all the people they want to show what I'm going. Guys, I don't know if we're get enough people to the page, you know? Tell you how they want to do and things, but we just couldn't see what I'm going, you see? So guys, we have something to deal with different. If you don't know, we have to do something different to get income to survive, you know? So I just say I'm going to take the time out, do that video, then I'm going to do what I have to do. So come with me, guys. Yes guys, we just up and running. We are going on Thursday video. Today Thursday when I show at the market stay. Yeah. Holy for load. Got you back. Yes guys, do watch Stream TV. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Natural juice. The whole of juice there, man.
See that?
Yeah man, a River Stream TV, you know, big it up, man.
I mean, my respect, natural boss, you hear that?
Yeah man, River Stream TV.
No, River Street, my friends, alright?
Cool now, man.
I'll go get it and do it and chop it up, alright?
In the street.
In the street.
Cool now, man, boss.
Mango, carrot, apple, plum.
Real natural.
Talk to me.
Bust that one let me see.
All fruits right.
God.
Talk to me.
God, man.
Only 60 a pound.
Then a pumpkin come from where? Australia. Yeah. Yes, guys. Man, you need some traveling.
Yeah, I'm still there, you know.
They know I say you're there, man. What you think them there? I hear them, man. I hear a lot of them, man. Oh, I'm not selling, man. Yes, guys, the market. That's it. So I Thursday make it look so we will go down at the bottom now and go and have a view down there, right? Real chill on here. Yeah, my G. Mother Mark is now going okra. Then I'm mint. Yes. Or the cinnamon leaf. What is that? Grapefruit. And plantain. Yeah, mama. What is that? That's tree, no. Yes, guys, so we reach way down at the bottom now. Right down to the station, so you know, say watch it. Yeah.
You make a 70 a pound.
That kill by Jamana. One night shall come back on the morning and I come.
Chill on here, man.
Yeah, man, chill on.
Doing.
What's up?
Nasty man.
Yes, guys, this is how Jamaica look on a Thursday in the new year in a Curry market. Yes, guys, Mr. Walk through.
Cheap market.
Come by the home and I said, yeah, you know, me up here, me come now, man.
Watch it.
Yeah, man, yeah. Yeah, man, please go check.
Yes, guys, the place not for full. I know for 2 because it's Thursday, but Thursday I would say the beetroot. Salad. Banana, man.
Good morning.
How much it is there? No, 100 or something. Alright, that's it.
Buy a plant, get a sale.
Buy a plan, get a phone.
Buy a plant, get a sale. Any phone on sale.
How much you carry? $60. Buy a plant.
Choke your block up.
Buy a plant, get a sale.
Whole place black up, you have to wait.
600 for 5-day plan. Any phone on sale, buy a plant, get a sale. Buy a plant, get a sale. Any phone on
Big man, move again. You can't not drop nobody, big man.
that is the ending of the video. In the market, same way. So you know, say, yeah guys, we just still come for good. True, my sister, everybody love the market video them, so I just take my time out to do one on a Thursday. Today, a Thursday, guys. So, if you don't know, guys, big up on yourself. And no flow. And Saturday again, next market video come. And if you never watch the rest of the market video them yet, go down on my channel. Give it a subscribe if you're new and like the video, guys. If you don't know, whole heap of video when I get to the market. I may have some street prank coming up. Because guys, we don't want to do no whole heap of things yet from my channel. And the channel young, but just want to stick with 2 things or 1 thing. Go me soon alive, and then when me establish myself, then we can do some different things. So guys, no flow, peace out.